Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best pole saw attachments currently available on the market, the Kerlista pole saw attachment. If you're a gardening enthusiast or someone who simply loves to keep their yard looking pristine, this attachment is a game changer for your Bilt trimmer. The Kerlista pole saw attachment is designed for versatility and efficiency. It's compatible with a range of well-known brands including Weed Eater, Snapper, DeWalt, Craftsman, Ryobi, John Deere, Works, Bilt, and Homelite. This means it's likely to fit your existing tools, making it an excellent investment for your yard maintenance needs. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. The package includes all necessary installation tools, so you can quickly get started without any extra purchases. The pole saw features a 12-inch bar and chain, capable of cutting through logs up to 5 inches in diameter. This is perfect for reaching high branches or managing thicker tree limbs with ease. Let's talk about performance. This attachment is lightweight yet incredibly durable, constructed from heavy-duty aluminum. This means you won't feel fatigued during longer pruning sessions, and it will stand the test of time against typical wear and tear that comes with yard work. Equipped with an alloy steel blade, the Kerlista provides precision cuts, ensuring a clean and efficient trimming experience every time. Plus, the innovative design allows for flexible cutting directions, giving you total control over your work. Whether you prefer a left-handed position or something else, you can adjust with convenience. Just to clarify, the Kerlista attachment has an external tube diameter of 1 inch and utilizes a square-shaped flexible drive shaft connector, making it compatible with a wide range of trimmers. It's essential to check compatibility with your specific model, but rest assured, it works seamlessly with all the major brands. To sum up, the Kerlista pole saw attachment is an exceptional addition to your gardening toolkit. Its combination of lightweight design, easy installation, and powerful cutting capabilities makes it stand out in a crowded marketplace. Whether you're tackling overgrown branches or maintaining the overall health of your trees, this attachment gets the job done. If you're searching for a reliable and efficient pole saw attachment, look no further than the Kerlista. It's truly one of the best Bilt pole saw attachments available today. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the best products in town. Happy trimming!